Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to continue my this chapter, cell. In this cell, I am going to continue with my next heading, parts of cell. Cell is made up of three main parts. First one is plasma membrane. Second one is cytoplasm. And third one is nucleus. There are three parts within a cell. Plasma membrane. First one is plasma membrane. It is the outermost covering, or you can say outermost layer of the cell. Plasma membrane is made up of lipoprotein. What is lipoprotein? Lipoprotein is a chemical made by combination of lipid and proteins. Plasma membrane is outermost covering and made up of lipoprotein. It is semi-permeable in nature. Lipoprotein and plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature, means it can pass some chemical compounds through it but prevents all the chemical compounds to pass through it. Plasma membrane helps in diffusion as well as osmosis. Diffusion is the movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from dilute solution to concentrate solution. This is osmosis. Plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature. Okay? These are about the plasma membrane. Now come to cytoplasm. One thing more here, in animal cells, plasma membrane is the outermost layer, but in plant cells, plasma membrane is also surrounded by one more layer that is called cell wall. Cell wall is absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and it is completely permeable. It is completely permeable in nature. It is dead and helps in protection of the cell. Means cell wall protects the cell from other things, from injury and various germs. Cytoplasm and nucleus both are collectively known as protoplasm. Protoplasm is the combination of cytoplasm and nucleus. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the liquid present within the plasma membrane and surrounds the nucleus. If this one is nucleus, this one is plasma membrane, then in between this and this is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is surrounded by plasma membrane and it surrounds nucleus. Means around the nucleus, cytoplasm is present and cytoplasm is itself surrounded by plasma membrane. Cytoplasm contains various types of cell organelles within it. In my next lecture, I will discuss about the various types of cell organelles. But here you keep in mind, cytoplasm is the fluid around nucleus and itself surrounded by plasma membrane. What is nucleus? Nucleus is the central part of cell which controls the activity of cell. That is nucleus. Nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown. Robert Brown discovered nucleus, and nucleus is the central part of cell. It also controls the various activities takes place within the cell. Robert Brown discovered nucleus. Nucleus is made up of following four parts. First one is nuclear membrane. Second one is nucleolus. Third one is nucleoplasm. And fourth one is chromatin fibers. These are the various parts of nucleus. If you see the figure of this nucleus, nucleus is made up of two layers, double membrane. At some places it contains many pores. These are called nuclear pores, through which the substances are come in and go out with the nucleus to the cell. This is the nucleus. This figure is nuclear membrane. This is nuclear pore. The fluid present within this is nucleoplasm. Within this, a circular structure is present that is called nucleolus, and thread-like structures present this one is chromatin fibers, and these chromatin fibers condense to form chromosomes. They condense to form chromosomes. This is the figure of nucleus. Okay, nucleus is the control part of cell. Means nucleus controls the various functions takes place within the cell, and chromosomes are also present within the nucleus, which transmit characters from one generation to another. This is about the various parts of cell and various parts of nucleus. In my next lecture, I am going to discuss about the cell organelles. Okay, thank you.